Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. We are learning here the PDF automation. In this series, today we will learn the get PDF count, get PDF page count activity and read PDF with OCR activity. So let's go to the UiPath and see these activities, how it's work and what is the use. So I'm opening UiPath Studio. You can see the screen. So here I'm creating a workflow. So I'm calling first taking the activity that is a PDF, right? PDF count, PDF page count. So I'm taking these activities and create a variable here, control K, count, and provide the path of the PDF. So I'm selecting here. So you can select any PDF. So I'm selecting here the last one, this present simple survey. In this video, I think 4 pages available. So now we will check. So it's getting the correct output or not. So I'm save this and here using the message box activities and provide here the count, control S, and we can run this follow and check the output. So output is 4. So you can see the output I have already told. So that file is 4 page uh, in that PDF file. So output is correct. I will show you the as well the PDF. I will show you. Go and simple present. This is the PDF. So you can see this is the first page, second page, third page, and fourth page. This is the fourth page. Output is you can see in the above as well. So giving the correct output. So now, so we are using the second activity, that is a read PDF with OCR. So I'm using these activities and you can see here we are the asking the file name. So I am using the taking this file because in this file this is a image type PDF, not a text type PDF. So I'm using that in this PDF. Have a bank statement image. So now we get the data from that bank statement image. So for that we need to use here the engine, OCR engine, which OCR engine you need to use. So I'm searching in the activity and here the search engine. So I'm using the Traject OCR. So after that you need to create a variable, output variable here. So control K, providing the data. So now save this file and run this flow and also provide the data in the message box. Okay, save this file and run the flow. So now we will wait for some time because when extracting data from PDF with OCR, it take time. So we will wait for a few minutes. So now you can see the screen. So all the data extracted from that PDF. So you can see here the this is the counter statement. So you can see the all the details here coming the like mail ID, name, address, all the details, HDFC, all the details coming in the this message box. So I hope you understand both the activity. So in the read PDF with OCR, in this activity you can use another engine as well, OCR engine as well. So in the, other OCR you need to API keys. So that's why I'm not showing here. So that's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.